you call it a storm door.
Welcome back to Todd Friendly Farm. Picking up right where we left off yesterday's video. Well, not right where, but yesterday we actually had to quit because it got plugged up so bad that we just decided we'd deal with it today. So we got out here, got them unplugged enough so that they could go. They're going back there right now, and I think it's working pretty good. So we're just gonna wait, see what happens, see if they need help again, or if they can just keep going. But we're gonna come in here, have a little coffee break because it's really cold out today. Alright, so we were in here taking a break and we thought we heard the tractor pull up out here. So we're gonna step out here and see. Sorry about that. We're gonna step out here and see if it is here. Sounds like it is. Yep. Must have got unplugged again. How's it going, Lemuel?
Good. What you doing? Trying to get this unplugged. This one.
Alright, so we got it unplugged. It took a very long time, and to get everything unplugged, it was plugged up pretty bad. But we're going to head down here now, and we're going to show you the difference between how it chops after when it has been mowed, the stalks have been mowed and chopped up, versus when they haven't. We'll show you how that does, so I think that will be very interesting. So we will stay tuned for that. We're going to head down there to the field now.
We're trying to make like you call it a storm door, but we have water that comes in our basement door. So we're going to basically it's like a shutter, and we're going to cut us a piece of, you can see the plywood there. We're going to cut us a piece of plywood that will cover up that door. So when it was real windy or snowy or rainy, we can just kind of cover up our basement door. So that's all we're doing. Lemuel and Papa's in the field, and oh no, there's Scuzzy. He's constipated again. Poor guy. Sometimes Scuzzy gets constipated and he walks around like this. Oh. And we just feel really bad when he goes walking around constipated and stiff-legged. And poor guy. Poor Scuzzy. Oh well. Pray for Scuzzy. Anyways. We'll do some cutting here, and we'll show you when we get it cut.
Alright, so we were building our shutter storm door thing, and Papa called Dad and said that they've got problems down here with the left side plugging up. So we're down here, or the other side plugging up. So now we're down here, gonna help get that unplugged.
Look at all the corn on the ground. That makes a fella sick. You see that, Abby? Of course, that's not. Look at that little bitty cob, and that was the better ears, and it's kind of bad ears and all this. It makes you sick, but at the same time, what can you do? You do the best you can. So, just so everything is good, Abby, you can insert a corny joke here. Stand inside. Open that door. We'll see if it'll fit tight. If it fits tight, you might have to push it back out. Is it good if it fits tight? It's supposed to fit tight. Ain't that beautiful? Holy cow. Perfect. Guess you'll just have to see. Let's see how this will be. Now I need an eye.
What?
Down here. See?
So nobody can get in from the outside, but they can come in from the inside.
This is the finished product. Not too much to see, but we have a hook right here, and that's being used to hold a string on, which is holding to a cement block back there to hold it back to keep the wind from blowing it. And then we have another hook down here. We've got an eye right there and an eye right there. So you just open this up, grab onto that, pull it in, and then you will hook it right there and hook it right there. And then it's closed, and it looks pretty nice. Works pretty well. It's another day, as you can probably tell, because I have changed my outfit, but it is finished and it looks really nice.
Y'all come back now. Cheers.